Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of frozen pancakes with the Eggo frozen pancakes. If you're in search of the best frozen pancakes on the market, look no further. The Eggo frozen pancakes are a delicious breakfast option that brings the classic taste of buttermilk pancakes to your table. Made with high-quality ingredients, these pancakes are soft, golden, and fluffy, just like homemade pancakes. Plus, they are a good source of 8 vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious choice for the whole family. One of the standout features of the Eggo frozen pancakes is their quick and convenient preparation. Simply pop them in the microwave or oven for a warm and satisfying breakfast in minutes. Whether you're feeding kids or adults, these pancakes are sure to be a hit. Each box contains 12 buttermilk pancakes, ensuring there's plenty to go around. And with no artificial colors or flavors, you can feel good about serving these pancakes to your loved ones. The packaging is designed for freshness, so you can enjoy the delicious taste of homemade pancakes anytime. In conclusion, the Eggo frozen pancakes are a top-notch choice for those craving a tasty and convenient breakfast option. With their classic flavor, nutritious profile, and easy preparation, these pancakes are a must-have in your freezer. Don't miss out on the best frozen pancakes. Grab a box of Eggo frozen pancakes today.